Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Halloween look. This time, a zombie virus infection. It's a little gross, but a lot of fun. So, let's get started. Let's start with the prosthetics. I have really sensitive skin, so instead of latex or scar wax, I'm using rice. Grab a 1/4 cup of rice at room temperature. Next, add water, just a little at a time, and use a glove to mix by hand. You can use a food processor, but this lets you control the consistency. Apply the rice mixture to your face. Press it firmly into the skin and smooth out the edges. It should take about 10 minutes to set, depending on your mixture. While that dries, you can work on the uninfected parts of your face. I'm using the Tom Ford Soleil Flawless Glow Foundation. Apply that to your face and blend it out with the flat brush up to the edges of the rice. Use a slightly lighter shade to achieve a pale, sickly look. I'm using the shade Ivory Silk. The dewy finish will help you look sweaty and feverish. Next, I'm using a cream blush from MAC in the color Improper Copper. Using another flat brush, apply a generous amount to the apples of your cheeks and sweep up towards your cheekbones. This will make your skin look flushed from the fever. For my brows, I'm using the Dior Brow Styler, just to fill them in and give them a slight shape. Next, I'm using a contour shade from MAC in the color Sculpt to help define my features. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply it to my eyelids and lower lash line to make my eyes appear more deep set. Then, using the same brush, I'm sweeping the color down from my brows to shape my nose bridge. This is an easy way to contour your nose. For lips, I'm taking the Burberry Liquid Lip Velvet in Fawn Rose and mixing it with my foundation. Use your finger to blend the colors together and gently tap along the outer edges of your lips. This will give your lips that chapped, dry look. The rice should now be dry and feel taut, like burned or scarred skin. I'm using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in shade number 6, a few shades darker than my normal color. Using a beauty blender, tap the foundation on top of the dried rice, making sure you're blending out the edges. Take your time and press firmly to coat the kernels of rice. Next, I'm applying the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Sogno on top of the rice with a small sponge. Start from the middle and work outwards towards the edges. Apply more color in some places to make the infected area look more 3D. I'm then applying the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Ricco. The darker color will give the decaying flush additional depth. Again, start from the middle and work outwards towards the edges. I'm going back in with the darker foundation to start creating eye bags. Using a beauty blender, tap in the color starting from the inner corners of the eyes, working it across the lower lash line, and slowly moving downwards. Next, I'm using the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Scene to create bruising. With the tapered brush, apply just below the lower lash line in outward strokes. Using circular motions, gradually bring the color down. Afterwards, apply it to your eyelids, starting from the lash line and taking it up towards your crease. I'm then taking the MAC Pro Longwear Blush in Stubborn to deepen the bruising. With another tapered brush, follow the existing colors as a guide and blend it along the lower and upper lash lines. Go back in with the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Ricco. Using a small flat brush, apply just a little to the inner corners of the eyes and blend it out with your finger. Finally, I'm using the Burberry Liquid Lip Velvet in Military Red and Oxblood to make my infected areas bloody. Using the same small flat brush, apply the colors on some of the bigger rice kernels towards the middle. If your skin is as sensitive as mine, this is a good alternative to using fake blood. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!